So let's just talk about different query operators in MongoDB that can be used to compare different fields of the document. So first of all, let's talk about some of the comparison operators. So like an example, we have $eq that stands for equal. So it used to check whether two values are equal or not. Similarly, also we have $any that stands for not equal. And also we have $gt which stands for greater than. $gte greater than equal. And also we have $lt less than, lte less than equal. So these are the few of the important comparison operators. So let's just use them in practical. So we are inside the VS Code editor and connected to the local MongoDB. And inside that we have the student database which contains one detailed collection. And inside the collection we have total 8 documents which contains the name, age and the city of the student. So let's now run all of these comparison operators. So currently we are using the student database. So we have to write db dot and then the collection name dot find. Now inside the find we have to use the query. So we wanted to find all the students whose age is not equal 20. So we're gonna use $any means not equal, so we have to write not equal 20. So this query will get all the students whose age is not equal 20. So let's just execute that. So I'm gonna copy this and execute in the terminal. So you can see all of their age is not equal 20. Similarly, also we can use greater than. So we can write greater than 18. This query will return all the students whose age is greater than 18. So let's run the query. So here now we're getting all the students whose age is over 18. And also we can use greater than equal. So this query will return all the students whose age is greater than or equal to 21. So let's just execute that. We're getting all the students whose age is either 21 or greater than 21. Similarly, also we can use less than. So we're gonna use $lt. So this query will return all the students whose age is less than 25. So now you can see we're getting all the students and their age is less than 25. And also we can use lte. So let's get all the students whose age is less than equal 22. So you can see now we're getting all the students, their age is either 22 or less than 22. So let's now talk about few of the logical operator. So these operators will logically compare multiple queries. Like an example, we have the $and. So this operator will return one document when both of the queries match. So when both of the queries are true, only then the AND will return one document. And also we have the $or operator. So this operator will return a document when either of the query is true. So if any of the query is true, then the OR will return one document. So inside the curly braces we can use $and it will take one array. So we're gonna use the square bracket and inside that we can have multiple queries. So first query can be, so if the name is Bob and the age is 20, only then this will return one document. So here we are performing AND operation between these two queries. So when both of these queries are true, only then this query will return one document. Execute that. So you can see it does not match any document. So let's just change the age to 22. So you can see now we're getting one document where the name is Bob and the age is 22. So let's now use the OR operator. So we have to use $or and this also take one array containing multiple queries. So the first query is, so if the city is New York or the age is 22. So this will return one document where either the city is New York or the age is 22. So because either of them is true, that's why we are getting two documents as a result. So this is the way we can use the query operator in MongoDB to compare values, and also we can logically compare multiple queries. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.